Very good. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Anabi. If you're not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe for more videos. So in today's video, I have a fun video for you all. I'm gonna cook a horrible meal for my husband. No. On purpose. I know, not a good wife. Actually, I was planning to do a video cooking halal food for my husband, and I told him about this idea, so he will be thinking that I'm only cooking halal food for my husband. He will not be expecting it to be bad, but I'm gonna make it very bad. And I want to see how he will react, if he will tell me or if he will not tell me, because I don't know, I'm not sure, but he's pretty honest with me. Even he tells me things that is not so easy to say, but I don't know in camera exactly how he will be or how he will act. Maybe he will just pretend on camera just to not embarrass me or something. We will see. I don't know. This is gonna be so funny. Oh my god, I'm even like laughing now. Evil. Evil laughter. No, I'm joking. It's just funny too, basically, and want to see how he will react. So yeah, this food is gonna be halal. And also I am planning to do a video making halal Icelandic food for my husband, but in this video I'm just making a horrible meal for my husband. And yeah, so let's go. Wait. Alright, so I'm in the kitchen. And yeah, so now I'm gonna just prepare everything, just take out whatever I'm gonna put inside. I have no idea how I'm gonna make this food, and then I'm gonna order pizza because I don't want him to starve all night. So I'm gonna order pizza. He will come home around 9, so now is around 6 o'clock. So it's enough time for me to prepare everything. Yeah, I'm gonna order the pizza and then I'm gonna hide the pizza. And so he will think that this is all I made. So yeah, this is good idea. So let's just start right now. So I just started warming some oil and put the rice. I'm not gonna make a lot of food because I don't want to waste food and throw a lot of food, so I'm just gonna make as little as I can. And I'm heating I'm just defrosting it actually. I'm defrosting some chicken, just one piece, because as I said, I don't want to waste too much food. But yeah, I'm gonna make chicken and I'm gonna make it very bad. But I'm not gonna make raw chicken. I'm not trying to make him sick or something. No, not at all. Like, I'm just trying to make it bad. I'm gonna cook the chicken all the way through, obviously, and I'm gonna make this food so bad, but I don't know what to put actually. But I'm gonna try and find some ingredients that I can put in the chicken. Okay, so I just picked some ingredients. Look at this. I can't believe this, but I'm actually gonna put a little bit chocolate, and I'm gonna put some almonds. This is fried onion and cocktail sauce. Then I have this sauce, and then I have cheese. Yeah, genius. Oh my god, I don't know. It's gonna be very bad. Maybe I'll add some spice. Something that's not gonna be good. I'm gonna try to make it very bad, but maybe like not too obvious. I'm gonna start by cutting this chicken. Let's do this. Wait. Fried onion. Actually not all bad. I also like almonds. It looks so far. I'm gonna put some spices, but I'm not gonna put spices that he likes. Ground mustard, cinnamon. Let me put some Italian. Oh my god. What am I doing? Why not? Since I love chocolate so much. That's chocolate. Some sauce. This is korma cooking sauce. Right, this is the final product. Look at this food. It looks so bad. Oh my god. How is gonna eat this? I don't know. Look at this food. Ugh. Smells so bad. Smells so bad because of the chocolate. It's like burnt chocolate. Oh my goodness, I don't know how he's gonna eat this. He's probably not gonna eat it, and he's probably gonna let me know that it's bad, because I don't see how he will like this. I try to not make it too obvious, but it's really bad. So I just ordered the pizza. I'm waiting for the pizza, and I'm waiting for him to come home. It's so bad weather. Today is not his day. Okay. He's home now. I'm gonna tell him soon. Okay, you ready?
For what?
Remember that I wanted to cook for you halal food and make a video.
Yeah.
I did it today.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, it's all ready. I just have to heat it. Okay. What do you want to drink? Hold it. What do you want to drink? Water?
Yes.
Are you excited?
I don't know.
Very good.
Let's see.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Hello? It's chicken. Don't worry. Try it. What do you think? Looks good.
It's look good. Yeah.
Okay. You like it? You like it?
The rice is not fully done, I think.
Okay. Well, what about the chicken? You like it?
I don't know, you have very strong taste.
Like what? Like what?
You have mandla, right?
Yes.
Just have very strong taste. Of just
So you like it?
not really.
Why? You're not gonna eat it.
I'm gonna eat it, but the rice is not done.
Okay. But you're still gonna eat it if you don't like it. Are you upset?
It's okay, you can turn it off.
So, what do you think of it, the food?
It's not bad, but it's like the rice is not done
Okay.
fully. And apart from that, I don't know, it's like,
How does it taste
I don't
like?
even know if it's chicken, like,
It's chicken. But how does it taste like?
it tastes like okay.
It's
It's not
okay.
spicy, it's okay, but have very strong, like, what do you use the spices?
You want to know the main spice of this? The main ingredient is chocolate.
Why do you put chocolate?
I'm joking, baby. It was supposed to be bad. I did it on purpose. But don't worry, because I bought pizza.
Yeah, but it's not good to waste food, man.
Yeah, I just made like one portion. The rice came out a little bit more than I wanted, but yeah, this was just for this. I did it on purpose, but to see what you will say. But you said it's okay.
Yeah, but it's not ready, you know?
Okay. I hid the pizza. It's here. You're happy now. Pizza.
I don't know.
Why?
Let's see.
You're scared of the pizza also.
Don't like to make fast food.
You just have to heat it. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video.
This didn't end the pizza.
Yeah. Thank you all for watching. I hope to see you all in my next video, inshallah. Salam alaikum.